Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be setting my tablescape and tea. Come on with me, guys. Okay, so I am loving all this greenery on my table. Have a ginger jar over there on the right, which was thrifted. I did all these floral arrangements all in one day. I'm absolutely loving it. Now, the little tray that the teapot is standing on, I bought that at Dollar General. Then the teapot set itself was thrifted, and then I placed some greenery in there that I also got from Dollar General. Now, if we look at the placemats, those I purchased at Dollar Tree. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Fall is Coming Tea Party. And this is an open invite collaboration, and this is being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living. So we also have the Grace Life DIY home decor. That's myself, Debbie Bubbles, decorating with Jazzy Green, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. So guys, you see these clear charges with the gold trim? These are dupes for ones that Hobby Lobby is carrying, and Dollar Tree has them for $1.25. I am absolutely loving the leaf plates, and here are the leaf mugs, and all these were all thrifted, including the ones that the cookies are sitting on. I'm absolutely loving it. I got those at the Goodwill. Now those beautiful little teaspoons that I placed inside the mugs, those were gifted items. Then you see that candelabra on the left. That was a thrifted item, but the candles did come from the Dollar Tree. So the napkins are thrifted, but the gold ties did come from the Dollar Tree. Now the candles are lit, we're heading on over to the reveal. So I think everything turned out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys.